This is why you need SoftCon to simplify your garment manufacturing and boost your profits. Imagine a world where managing fabrics, trims, and finished products is a breeze. That's what our software offers. Complete inventory management at your fingertips. Need full visibility into your production cycle? From cutting to stitching to packaging, our tablet and mobile app keep you in the loop every step of the way. Supplier and vendor coordination handled seamlessly. And don't worry about GST compliance. We've got that covered too. Our software integrates with your e-commerce platform to manage your sales and manage your inventory effortlessly. Our mobile app dashboard means quick decisions on the go. No more delays. We understand the garment industry like no one else, and our software reflects that deep knowledge. Ready to take your business to the next level? Call WhatsApp on 865-2320-120/75064454649 or email us at sales@softconindia.com today for a personalized demo. SoftCon India, Garment Success Simplified. Let's grow together.